Hey there, iPhone lovers! Welcome to Eassiy Official. Locked out of your iPhone and feeling frustrated? No worries. In this video, we'll reveal the ultimate secrets to unlock your device with or without a passcode or computer. Let's dive in and unlock those possibilities. Why are you locked out of iPhone? You might be locked out of your iPhone due to multiple incorrect passcode attempts, a forgotten passcode, or a disabled device. This can happen if you enter the wrong passcode too many times, triggering a security feature that locks the device. 3 ways to fix locked out of iPhone with computer. First way, Passixer Unlocker for iPhone. Firstly, we recommend using Passixer to easily unlock your iPhone. This reliable tool can remove pins, Touch ID, Face ID, screen time passcodes, MDM locks, and Apple IDs from secondhand devices. It supports most iPhone models and iOS versions, even those with damaged screens. Access the official Passixer website to download and set up the software on your computer. After installation, open the Passixer application. In the main window, choose the Wipe Passcode option and connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Carefully follow the instructions displayed on the screen. The Passixer software will recognize your iPhone model and ask you to download the corresponding software for it. Click. Start to begin the download. Once the download is finished, be sure to read the warnings regarding unlocking your iPhone. When asked, input 0000 to confirm. Finally, click Unlock to start the unlocking process and patiently wait for it to complete. Way 2. Use iCloud. To remotely wipe your iPhone using iCloud, launch a web browser and visit iCloud.com. Log in with your Apple ID and password. Click on Find iPhone, then select all devices at the top. Choose your iPhone from the available options and hit Erase iPhone to remove all data from the device. Way 3. Use iTunes. If your computer doesn't recognize your device, try the following steps. For iPhone X and newer, including iPhone SE 2nd generation, iPhone 8, and iPhone 8 Plus, power off your device, then press and hold the side button while connecting it to your computer. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, hold the volume down button while connecting it to your computer. For iPhone SE 1st generation and earlier, like iPhone 6s, hold the home button while connecting it to your computer. Once in recovery mode, open Finder on a Mac or iTunes on a Windows PC. When prompted, select Restore and Update. Make sure not to disconnect your device during the process. After it finishes, restore from a backup if you have one. Your iPhone will reboot and display the Hello screen once done. 2 ways to fix locked out of iPhone without computer and password. Way 1. Erase iPhone from lock screen. This method works with iOS 15.2 or later. To begin, repeatedly enter an incorrect screen passcode on your iPhone until you see a message that says iPhone unavailable or security lockout. Try again in X minutes. Next, look for and select the Erase iPhone option. This will bring up a new screen titled Erase All Content and Settings. Choose Erase iPhone again and enter your Apple ID password in the required field to continue. Way 2. Erase iPhone in Find My App. If you can access the Apple ID associated with the device, you can utilize another Apple device for assistance. Launch the Find My App and select the Devices tab located at the bottom of the display. Choose your iPhone from the available options, then scroll down and select Erase this device. Follow the prompts on the screen to verify the erasure process. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned for the next one and remember to subscribe, like, and share. Your support is truly appreciated.